Hi, welcome to AI360studio.com. Let me show you the step-by-step ways of using Movie Genius AI app to turn graphic into video content. This Movie Genius app helps you turn graphics into video content in just a few seconds, bringing your vision to life effortlessly. Step 1. Locate and open the Video Genius app. It is found on your dashboard. Step 2. Upload the graphic you desire to turn into video and add the prompts to decide how the video comes out. Step 3. Click the blue button to generate and process your graphic into video. Boom! Your video is ready. Click to preview it and finally, download the generated video into your device. That's it. Very easy and simple. Why not go try out this super amazing AI tool called Movie Genius from our AI360studio.com and start shocking your world with high quality and well-crafted video contents. Sign up for your new account today at AI360studio.com and have access to over 60 powerful AI tools. Visit AI360studio.com now. Thank you for watching.